Hey guys, listen here. We're down here at the beach. Me and Kenneth and the family were having a good time, but we couldn't resist talking about Wilmington Grills. We're doing some Bear Creek bacon on the Wilmington Grill, and the fact that it's got a griddle that comes along with it is amazing. I want Kenneth to tell you a little bit about it. Kenneth is our chef down here at the beach, Orange Beach. Praise the Lord that our place didn't get tore up, the place we've been coming to for over 35 years. And we have a Wilmington on the beach because it stands up to the salt weather so bad, that it's so bad down here. The Wilmington stands up very well to it.
Great thing about the Wilmington is not only, like I said, it'll stand, the test of time, everything like that. We've been hauling Fanatics for forever, but a lot of the accessories and everything you can get with this, between searing a steak, slow smoking, great pizza oven, griddle on top like we've been doing with this. We've cooked oysters this trip on there. We've done everything. We cook our eggs, our bacon, just about everything you think of. We cooked hash browns on it the other day. This is a phenomenal grill. And the fact that this gave us good fit over hauling was just phenomenal for us to offer a grill that not only will last you a lifetime, but can also offer so many different accessories for you to do multiple different styles of cooking. This grill, as far as the gas grill, having stainless top to bottom, it's going to outlast anything out there on the market, and we love cooking on it. This was a great find for us, and we're going to continue to cook on these for years to come.
Wilmington, we cook breakfast, lunch, and supper on it. It's a Holland grill on steroids, got 2 burners in it, and it just is such good quality. And it's affordable, guys. I mean, we have built-in 30-inch, 36-inch, 42-inch. So if you're building an outdoor kitchen, we always recommend a Wilmington as your gas convenient grill that is so versatile. And of course, we're Big Green Egg people. We love the Big Green Egg open flame with charcoal. They marry well together. Come see us at Tubbs. Our city location is where we have the big amount of outdoor kitchen material. God bless the USA, and let's keep America great. Let's get out the vote. Won't be long.
Go vote.
Go vote. Keep this country free, not socialism. Free enterprise is what built Tubbs Hardware. Let's keep that momentum going. Y'all come see us.